It has been vicious and divisive. Maraming mga nasaktan. Kababaihan, LGBT, persons with disabilities, senior citizens. Madalas, ang mga pinakawalang kalaban-laban. But this is not who we are as a people. We are a generous people. We are warm. We are loving. Mapagbigay tayo. Ang magulang, isusubo na lang, ibibigay pa sa anak. We do with so much less because we want our children to have more. And they deserve more. Every Filipino deserves more. And that is what is at the root of our frustration. Ang iba, gagamitin ang ating frustration para lokohin tayo. Para makalimutan natin na malayo na ang narating natin. Para makalimutan natin kung sino tayo bilang Pilipino. Para makalimutan natin na ang tunay at makabuluhang pagbabago hindi nakakamit sa paninisi, sa panginginsulto, o sa pang-soundbite lamang. Nangyayari ito dahil tinatrabaho. And this is what the elections have come down to. The talkers versus the doers. Those that bring out the worst in us versus those that bring out the best in us. Those, yung mga susunugin lahat ng pinaghirapan natin kontra doon sa mga magdidilig at magbabantay sa mga itinanim natin. We must stay the course because malago ang ating ekonomiya. This is what has turned us from the sick man of Asia to Asia's bright star.